Is there going to be a coalition between PDDS with Lakas CMD?
No, because nandyan si Marcos. Hindi ako believe siya na he's really a weak leader. Totoo yan, hindi ako naninira ng tao. Talagang weak. Of course, he can talk. Pero kasabihin mo may crisis, gano'n. He's a weak leader.
Meanwhile, ano tayo nagkaganto? Ano tayo nagkaganto?
The people are very angry because they have been victims of flooding for all these years. And flooding has made their lives so difficult. And yet the discovery that all the billions of pesos that were supposed to help them, that were supposed to solve the problem, have ended up lining the pockets of all these corrupt politicians.
I have long conversations with my father still. I asked him, Dad, what am I supposed to do? Since I became president, sometimes I hear in the back of my mind, it's like my father and some of his other political allies, yung mga sa generation niya. Oh, mahirap ano.
But you knew that. You knew it was my...
Ibabala niyo po sa mga drug syndicate na hindi tumitigil sa kanila ngayon.
Hindi ako bahala kayo sa ginagawa niyo. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Aabutan din namin kayo. Nasasyak ako, hindi ako makapaniwala na nandito na tayo na
I would think it's heartbreaking when you see all this.
that's the word that I think that it became allowable. Okay lang. Hindi problema yan. Hindi krimen yan. Sige lang.
But to the level na 30% na lang yung naiiwan sa mga proyekto, astounding yun.
That's the part that talagang hindi ako makatulog pag iniisip ko. Paano tayo nagkaganto?
Bahala kayo kung anong gusto ninyo na tao. Inyo yan. Ang akin lang, pagdating ng panahon, basta sinabi ko sa inyo na he is a very weak leader.
Ano tayo nagkaganto?